back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I promise this will be the last bracket hanger project for a while. Got the big grinder hung up right where it needs to go. Now we need a spot for little grinders. I'm hanging them on the side of the workbench here, but I have so many of them, and with the cords hanging in the way, it's just become an issue. So, once again, cardboard aided design. Made a little template, marked it out on some steel. I'm going to cut out, I think, 5 of these, get them formed up, and we'll get them hung up over there. Alright guys, one down, 4 or 5 more to go, and get those knocked out. And sometimes, you know, you can buy a commercial bracket to hang grinders on, or make a multiple bracket that holds a lot of them. Due to space considerations, I wanted to hang right on the end of this wall, so I have to make these customized brackets. So, alright guys, like always, please comment hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And you can now catch us on Instagram as well at Wooden Metal Workshop, no dashes, just Wooden Metal Workshop. Alright guys, catch you in the next video.